Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then tap on apps. Now we have to scroll down and tap on special app access, and here let's find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content, some apps. So of course you can change it, just tap on the app, in my case Chrome for example, and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some apps. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on it again and tapping on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.